Welcome back to the Stephan Show. My name is Graham and welcome to my show, and today we got an incredible episode for you that I never thought I would be making, but here we are, and I'm about to do an unboxing video of the Tesla short shorts. I kid you not, I never thought I would say that, but here we are. I bought 2 pairs of these Tesla short shorts maybe like 5 or 6 months ago, and I've waited such a long time for them to show up, and here they are. Now, what made these short shorts really unique is that Elon Musk made these in response to everyone who was shorting the Tesla stock, but you never want to bet against Elon Musk, because when you do that, you lose money, Tesla stock goes up, and then he makes shorts like these to mock you. And to make it even better, I paid $69.420 for these Tesla short shorts, and I bought 2 of them because one for me and one for Graham's girlfriend. So we could match or something. I don't know. These things sold out pretty much instantaneously. I happened to be one of the first people to see these things. I bought them, and even then, it's still taken me 6 months just to get this box. So here we are, and I'm not going to lose any chance to monetize as many things as I possibly can in my life. So here we go. Let's monetize Elon Musk's Tesla short shorts, and I'll show you guys what $69.420 gets you. You know what? I realized it doesn't buy you as a pair of scissors, but I think I'm strong enough just to open. Oh, there we go. That's it. Ugh. All right, so let's see. So far the cardboard is very good quality, and then what we have here is we have a return label. I don't even need to see this. I know I'm not going to be returning these strokes of geniuses here. I know I'm not going to return this. So you got great bubble wrap. That's nice. Bubble wrap. We got more. Wow. What is this? More bubble wrap. And then we got this gem right here. So we got 2 of them. We got 1, and then we got 2. And yeah, so let's start with this one. I have to say the presentation for this is not what I expected at all. Listen, most companies like this would put this in a paper bag. They would ship this for maybe like $2 because they weigh nothing. Not this. This actually has some, like this probably cost them, I don't know, $7 to ship alone. And look at the box. Wow. I'm not sure if you could see this, but the writing right here says Tesla, wait for it, short shorts. They literally used the YouTube style of like the little line, wait for it, short shorts, and it says, made on Earth by humans, with the Tesla logo in, looks like chrome gold. This packaging is absolutely incredible, and you also see it has a gold border along the sides. You have Tesla along this side here. You have the Tesla logo over here. Like, this is a presentation. I almost want to put this on like a bookshelf, showcase it somewhere. Maybe I could even get this graded by PSA. PSA will be like, yo, this is a 10 mint condition here. But let's open it up. I'm actually really excited for this. This is absolutely incredible. This just keeps getting better. Look at the presentation of this. I kid you not. You can't make this stuff up. If Elon Musk is going to do this, he's going to do this right. Like the packaging on this, no wonder it's $69.42. This is pretty much the closest I'm ever going to get to designer clothing. And I think if Tesla makes like shirts and shorts and underwear and stuff, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it. I made so much money in Tesla stock anyway. So, okay, so we're going to gently take this off and then... Wow, look at that. Look at that. We got like the USC colors going on here. Okay, so here they are. So on the back, it has all the models of the car. It says sexy. We got the Model S, the Model 3, the Model X, then the Model Y. And yeah, in terms of quality, they feel really good. Like this feels like just pure silk. Is it pure silk? What is it made of? 100% polyester. Hey, but you know what? The more you know. Yeah, I'm gonna smell it because sometimes clothing like this has that like really cheap, plasticky sort of smell to it. This is good. The elasticity is decent, and then you also have the Tesla logo right here. So gosh, guys, should I try them on? I'm going to try them on. Let's just do this. Let's get this over with. Well, let's see if there's anything else in the box. No, nothing else in the box. But yeah, from a packaging standpoint, this has got to be a $5 or $6 box at minimum. Maybe this is even like, because you got gold on the inside of this, maybe this is even like an $8 or $9 box, because they're not shipping that many of these. And to do this packaging, I mean, this is all done by hand. This is really nice. It's sturdy. Like, this is a better presentation than most credit cards at this point. But this is the most ridiculous thing that I have done, but I'm going to try these on. Let's come back to this. Here's a quick commercial break. And then when you get back from watching the ad that supports the channel, thank you so much for doing that, you'll see me in these. All right, so I'm off camera right now. You can't see me, but I'm putting these on. This feels like I'm just wearing underwear. Oh gosh, these are really short. I don't know if I want to do this. These are really short, guys. Man, yeah. I feel really uncomfortable wearing these. I feel really uncomfortable, but I'm actually doing it. Maybe scoot this in here. I'm gonna model these. Yeah, guys. You know what? I'll do it in front of the drum set. Here we go. Yeah, so I never thought I would be doing this today, but you know what, Elon Musk, this deserves it. Here you go. This is, you know what? I'll zoom out a little bit, and there you go. This is me modeling the Tesla short shorts. And as you could see, it's very nice and reflective. So if you're running at night, these work great. Gosh. And then if you turn around, it has sexy on the back. So I'll do a full spin around here. Now, I do have these somewhat low on my waist, but if I were to pull them up, they'd probably end about here. So I have them kind of low. Because I don't want this, I want this video to be PG. It's got to be family friendly, and I don't want anyone to see what they shouldn't be seeing. We'll put it that way. But overall, I got to say the fit is pretty nice. My big disappointment here is that there's no pockets. So I had nowhere to put my audio equipment, and I can't put my phone or anything in there. You just kind of got to do the thing where you put it right there. And that's it, which not the best, but I think in the future, if these had pockets, that would bring them to a 10 out of 10. But right now, I'd probably give these a 6.9 out of 10. Overall, if I were to rate these, and yeah, I would probably buy them again, and put it that way. And remember, if you guys want me to review more things that Elon Musk puts out, just let me know, and I'll do it. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and when you woke up this morning, did you expect that you would spend 9 minutes watching an unboxing video of short shorts? Hit the like button if you did not see this one coming, because I certainly didn't. And Elon Musk, thank you so much for making this. I really think you should make more clothing, because I would buy it. Like, you know me. Well, Elon Musk doesn't know me, but you know me. Like, I don't buy designer clothing, but this I just think is cool. And if you have an affiliate link or something I could plug for, like, hey guys, use the link down below in the description, get your Tesla merch, I would do it. Because I'm such a fan of Tesla. I mean, the stock price is crazy, but regardless, he's making short shorts out of this. So he's the second richest person on the planet right now. Soon to be the richest person on Mars. You can't argue with this. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And Elon Musk, if you're watching this, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to destroy the subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I post it pretty much daily, so if you want to be a part of it there, feel free to add me there. As on the podcast, The Iced Coffee Hour, new episodes being posted every single Sunday. And finally, if you guys want 4 free stocks, use the link down below in the description, and Webull is going to be giving you 4 free stocks when you deposit $100 on the platform, with those stocks potentially worth all the way up to $1,600. So if you want, basically at this point, free money, if you like free money, get those 4 free stocks down below in the description. Let me know which 4 free stocks you get. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Gosh, what have I done? Jeez. I feel like an idiot.